Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Now let's have a look on the gold market. So here, as you can see, general minor patterns that we discussed in the weekend has brought some fruits in yesterday's action. Well, it was really a good question concerning whether we should take the position with these patterns or not. So if you remember on the hourly chart, we had in the weekend grabber that has been formed as a result byproduct of the payrolls report, and it was a bullish divergence on the May City. We actually had nothing more. So as you can see, they have done really nice, and market has shown this upper performance. Taking in consideration that this action has happened on the background of the 10-year yield rising as well. So which is just showing some strength. Usually the rising of the yields makes some pressure on the gold market and supports the dollar. So but nevertheless, you can see that in the gold market we also have some kind of the upward action. So returning back to the topic of this triangle, as we talked about this already. And so it might be a really important thing, and performance here is getting a bit more bullish signs compared to what we saw just a week ago, because market stands in this tight range already almost 3 weeks, as you can see. Nominally, we have the bullish context because we do not have any bearish patterns, neither directional patterns to the downside. MACD stands bullish. Here we also do not have something really bearish. That's what about the daily chart. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see that now we have the Gartner's triple to sell around 26.76. So this upward action has happened, and well, probably market could show some response to this pattern. As you know, the minimum target of this pattern is a 30% retracement. It's normal target, it's minimum target. It's usually market trying to complete when it's forming. But at the same time, we have to acknowledge that despite this long-term standing, which was looking really bearish previously, and so until market starting this action just yesterday, market still keeps the lows of this. Well, it's difficult to call right now as a hand and shoulders, but at least 26 lows is important level, and it was able to stay, and it is able to stay above this area, which is also might be treated as a bullish sign. As for now, if we take a look at the hourly chart, we have actually 2 different steps. So keeping in mind this Gartley pattern, you could, if you're a scalp trader, this might be the background for a scalp short trade, because your invalidation point will be right above this area. If you would like to take the scalp short position, well, this is the point where you could think about it. It's actually minimum target will be around 26.50, so 26.46, 26.49. Correspondingly, those who would like to buy should wait for reaction on this and watching for the same area around this level where for a potential taking the long position. So if market will keep going higher, it probably should stay above this area and above this broken trend line, because in fact bullish market has to start preparation for a possible upward breakout. If we will not see it, and instead we will get a break down below the 26 wall, this of course will destroy everything. But for now, everything goes relatively nice, and that's definitely the point to keep an eye on for potential entry. In fact, once again, I'm not tired to repeat this. Splitting of the position is really good stuff. So you could just trying to buy on every significant fib level was just minor part of your position in a great average entry price. In fact, and finally, the last thing that you also probably should keep an eye on is a possible pennant pattern here. So for instance, if market will start forming kind of the triangle, and will not go down to this area and stay here, starts tightening consolidation, that will be the signal that probably upward direction might continue right immediately. So right from this triangle without any deeper retracement. Sometimes it also happens. This is the last thing to watch for. But normally when market stands in agreement resistance, because on the 4 time frame chart we have agreement resistance, we have the ABCD target that agrees with the fib level. Usually, especially when it has relatively slow and lazy performance before that, some proper reaction on this should happen, and I would suggest the chances that we still will see this area are really not bad. So that's just increase more probability and attractiveness to watch for this level. So this is for the bulls. That actually what we have in gold now is major intrigue stands around the major direction. So these fluctuations that we're discussing is really nice, but it would be great to see what the next step gold will do. So whether it will be to the upside or it will be just some kind of the consolidation before deeper, some kind of the ABC retracement. So we will see.